civil disobedience campaigns there for the rights of Indian settlers had shown how weak and unarmed people could challenge a superior power through nonviolent resistance, or Satyagraha, as he called it, meaning the grasping of truth. Under Gandhi's leadership, the Indian National Congress became a mass movement. He brought all people into the freedom struggle: peasants, workers, professionals, students, and also women in large numbers defied British laws and went to jail in thousands. The head of thousands of followers launched upon a dramatic 240-mile march to Dandi on the coast of Gujarat in West India for making salt from the sea. The British, however, had other plans. Gandhi was arrested, and his followers were beaten with batons and sent to fill the jails. The mass popular unrest conducted by the Indian National Congress persuaded the British of the need for discussing the future of India with India's political leaders.